Welcome. Today, we're diving into Grmn Ltd.'s impressive stock performance as of August 29, 2025. Over the past few months, Grmn has caught the attention of investors with a steady upward climb. The stock price recently closed at $241.82, marking a 0.319% gain on the last trading day and continuing a three-day winning streak. This momentum has many wondering if Grmn's rally is just getting started or if a pause is on the horizon. Let's explore what's driving this growth and what it could mean for your investment strategy. Grmn's stock isn't just rising, it's doing so within a strong, well-defined uptrend. Over the last 10 days, the price has increased 6 times, resulting in a 4.08% gain over 2 weeks. This consistent performance signals robust investor confidence. The technical analysis suggests that, given the current trend, Grmn could rise another 18.53% over the next 3 months. With a 90% probability, analysts expect the price to land between $274.20 and $300.83 by the end of this period. Let's see what's fueling this optimism. Technical indicators are flashing green for Grmn. Both short and long-term moving averages are signaling a buy, with the short-term average sitting above the long-term, an encouraging sign for momentum traders. Additionally, the MACD moving average convergence-divergence indicator supports a bullish outlook. A pivot bottom buy signal was triggered on August 1, 2025, and since then, the stock has climbed 10.56%. These signals collectively point to continued strength, but what about potential risks? Price action is strong. There's an important caveat. Trading volume has decreased even as prices have risen. On the last trading day, volume dropped by 407,000 shares, with about 1 million shares traded. This divergence between falling volume and rising prices can sometimes signal a potential shift or slowdown in momentum. Investors should keep a close eye on volume trends, as they often provide early warnings of upcoming changes in stock direction. Support and resistance levels are crucial for understanding where a stock might pause or reverse. For Grmn, strong support exists at $232.60, with additional support at $235.60 and $230.06. If the price dips to these levels, buyers may step in, presenting potential buying opportunities. Notably, there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above the current price, suggesting room for further gains if positive momentum continues. One of the appealing aspects of Grmn's stock is its relatively low risk profile. The stock typically trades with good volume and experiences only minor daily price changes. Over the past week, daily average volatility was just 1.52%, and the price moved within a narrow $2.21 range on the last trading day. This stability makes Grmn attractive to investors seeking growth without excessive risk. However, as always, market conditions can change, so ongoing vigilance is key. Analysts at Stock Investus have rated Grmn as a strong buy candidate. Their evaluation is based on the convergence of multiple positive technical signals and the stock's placement within a robust rising trend. The old saying, "Let the trend be your friend," seems to apply here. With most indicators pointing upward and little resistance ahead, Grmn is positioned as a compelling choice for investors looking for continued growth in the coming months. Despite the positive outlook, it's important to acknowledge potential risks. The divergence between falling volume and rising prices could be an early warning of a shift. Additionally, if Grmn's price breaks below key support levels, it could trigger sell signals and a possible reversal. Investors should also remember that all stock investments carry inherent risks, and past performance is not always indicative of future results. Staying informed and consulting with a financial advisor is always recommended. Summary: Grmn Ltd. is currently riding a strong wave of momentum, supported by positive technical indicators and a stable risk profile. With a projected 18.53% upside over the next 3 months and strong buy signals from multiple sources, the outlook remains optimistic. However, investors should remain vigilant for any signs of trend reversal, especially if volume continues to diverge from price. As always, do your own research and consider your financial goals before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more market insights.